Hello. This video showcases several key capabilities of Planisy, including one of its latest and most important features, packages, along with planning and replanning functionalities, intelligent conflict resolution, and the use of the mobile app. It is intended for users who are already familiar with Planisy and its standard planning operations. Packages are one of the main efficient ways allocation and scheduling of resources can be performed in Planisy. Their primary purpose is to streamline the process by enabling multiple resources of the same or different types to be allocated in a single interactive action within the workspace. Packages are designed to reflect the reality that in business operations, resource allocation often follows recurring patterns where the types, amounts, and parameters of resources and duration of their allocations tend to mirror those used in past projects and tasks. A digital object called packages contains all the available resource packages which have been defined for a given company. Each package includes a set of resources and the respective allocations to a designated primary resource. For example, a package might include workers, machines, vehicles, and tasks assigned to a construction site, which serves as the primary resource in this scenario. All packages duly saved by the user are available as multiple package lists, one list for each type of target primary resource in the packages Dismo. Selecting one of them makes it available to the user to perform its allocation to the corresponding target primary resource in the time board through a simple drag and drop action. In this demo, we are using package where allocations are mostly specific, meaning that they are referring to specific resources, the allocation Dennis, or a driver Hans, or the excavator 313 GC, and so on. And only a few are identified as need, a generic excavator, for example. When a package includes allocations of specific resources, assigning it on the time board may lead to exceptions or conflicts with existing allocations. These conflicts are then handled and resolved by the planner. In our simulation, a new project has been commissioned for an existing construction site. It is a building extension for which an allocation package exists. I will start planning the extension, which is for the construction site called Museum in Geneva, and it is meant to start in May. By drag and drop, I assign the package on the side. The package includes in principle all resources and allocations required to execute the project. As you can see, there are all the machines, procedures, persons, tasks, vehicles, and so on. Some of the allocations are of generic resources. I can identify and assign the specific resources matching the requirements among those which are available. So, for example, for the excavator, I find and select a suitable one and it gets assigned, replacing the matching need. If I think, as a head of planning or construction site manager, that the project of Geneva Museum requires an additional excavator, I can add it to the plan by selecting it and allocating it with a simple drag and drop. Of course, I can make any additional adjustments, adding, replacing resources, or modifying the duration of allocations which have been assigned as a package as required. Unexpected events can occur on the construction site, either before or during project execution. These may include a worker calling in sick, delayed material shipments, changing weather conditions, or equipment breakdowns. Such disruptions may require individual adjustments or a broader rescheduling of the project. With Planisy, you can quickly assess the situation and apply the necessary changes with ease. For example, if we need to delay the start of the projects we just planned by 2 weeks, we can simply group and select all related allocations and shift them collectively by the same amount of time. And such change could lead to an allocation rule violation. Let's see how our intelligence system handles and resolves these resource conflicts. Before I proceed any further, let me highlight the green upper frame you see on each allocation bar. It indicates the quality of the allocation. Green when an allocation is good and it is not creating any resource conflict. Yellow or red when it violates an allocation rule, creating a resource conflict. When moving the start of the project, a yellow frame has appeared on the upper side of the allocation bar of one of the electricians assigned to the project. This serves as a warning to the planner, prompting a review of that resource allocations. As we can conveniently see from the second time board, the violation comes from the fact that the assignments of the electrician to 2 distinct projects now partially overlap. Let's search for an alternative resource. As shown in the allocation panel, 2 additional electricians match the selection criteria. One is busy for the selected time frame, but I can safely choose the available one to resolve the conflict. The allocation bar then turns green again. Let's now see the planning view using the mobile view. Planisy is device display self-adaptive, meaning that the view is automatically optimized for the screen size of the device in use. The mobile view is for the use on the go, typically by frontline workers on the construction sites. It is fully featured and real-time synchronized with the desktop view, providing a truly collaborative working environment. For example, referring to the project viewed on the desktop, the project manager, Sarah, can use her mobile device to see all scheduled resources over time. Within the selected time frame, we can view all allocations and their details. She can also dive into any specific allocation to review the resource information and make edits if necessary. I can edit a task and change its status, turning it to ongoing or done and safe, which will also result into a message to be sent to the planner and or to the project manager, for example. Other important capabilities we are not showing today are Planisy comprehensive and fully programmable notification mechanisms, built-in analytics for real-time analysis of options and scenario, additional planning and scheduling views for a more personalized experience, and last but not least, the unprecedented level of flexibility of our support web tool to quickly adapt Planisy to your use case. For that, you can watch more demo and video tutorials online, or we can recommend that you book a demo at www.planisy.com so that we can quickly show you how Planisy can contribute to boosting your operational efficiency. Once more, planning is easier with Planisy. Thank you for your attention.